Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Join this meeting. Shortly introduce
Okay.
myself. I am Sagor Chandra as a digital marketer from Bangladesh. We have a big agency of digital marketing of Bangladesh.
We'll be very happy. My name is Deju. That's the name the people calling me from this job, for this career, the videography. So I'm a photographer, I'm a video editor and speaker like a journalist. So I be have experience for this job for 22 years ago
Oh my
when I
God,
started. Yeah,
22
yeah,
years ago.
22. Yes. I
Oh,
started this skill on 2002, still now.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that I started in like audio visual, so like video, camera operator, photographer. After then, I go speaker and now to be editor. So we be very happy about your job because you show us why you can grow up your like
Channel.
your YouTube channel.
Right, right,
Yeah,
right.
so you be very good for marketing about the area. So we very appreciate like us we be very busy, you understand. But
Yeah,
sometimes yeah, for boosting the video, it's be take a time. Like you need to do the timeline, take a time, but you show us why to can work very fast and easy way. That's why we present your job. So you make a focus for everything.
yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for your respect. I have a 10 years experience and my age 26. Then I am 16 years start my work and process and my digital marketing professionally start 6 years ago. And I am always enjoy this work and worldwide buyer meeting and I am very happy. And finally, you are the most on the listed favorite buyer and I am very happy to you with work and I am trying to your channel grow up your skills your communicated and your live talk show is good. I'm really impressed. I'm many time watch your video. First time I'm not understand your Francis other and Lingala language and next time I am watch and more video watch. Finally, some watch your some understand your Lingala language and
Yeah, okay. So you yeah. I think in next month we're trying to helping the people about the language. We're trying to buy the planter. You know planter? You put
yeah,
the
yeah,
topic, it's go up, yeah, just you can make a traductor for any language like Lingala, Swahili. Yeah.
yeah,
That's
but
why we're try to work for that software to can help the people be outside the United States.
yeah, but you easily and good speak of English. Yeah, I'm very interested. You speak at Francis language, Lingala language, English language. It's very good, and I am
In
very happy.
Portuguese too. I speak 6 languages.
Oh my God, six language. I have a just
Yes,
I have just learned three languages: Bangla, English, Hindi. That's it. Only
oh,
three languages. And finally,
okay.
I'm learning to use Lingala language. And I am first time I not understand. And I'm finally watch more video and watching you finally scan
Yep.
finally post is finally create a screenshot and first to last video I'm properly watching and carefully watching. Then every time listening your voice and listening and finally some voice
Okay.
catch my brain and some understand the Lingala language. So I'm very impressed. And next
Oh, that's good. That's
and
very good.
and I'm very impressed you are the journalist because the journalist is a very hard and difficult work, many more risks, and the video footage is very tough and difficult work. And I'm really impressed and respect of you.
So yeah, so also this job it's good skill, but so the problem with video always keep the people busy, you know? Yeah, because video you want to listening, you want to see everything, yeah, before you put for the social media, you know? Yeah, not
Yeah.
just recording, cut, put now. You need to follow the direction.
Right, right, right. As a
Yeah,
camera direction, photo shoot direction, and cutting, trimming,
exactly.
joining,
Yeah,
as many
yeah,
more work. I know that it's very harassment work. It's very difficult work and many more work step by step. First, manage the talk show person, send talk show, and editing, cutting, joining, and managing the camera stand setup, lighting setup, and perfect face direction setup. It's very difficult. I'm a content creator. I'm a more video create and content create, and I know that it's very hard and difficult work. And finally, I'm respect you, and you will the editing your video. It's a very hard and
exactly.
it's very hard work. Finally, you and don't worry, English language any video send me. I'm complete the your podcast video editing. Don't worry. But Lingala language, I'm just first time I'm learning. Don't worry, I'm learning to 3 months. Finally, next time
Okay,
I'm your all video editing. Don't worry, it's not matter. And
I
next
know.
every work I am finally manage the work, and finally I am happy to use as your video screenshot, create a create a one photo, two photo, create a many more photo, and finally create a thumbnail design. I am very like this process because
Okay,
I'm find the perfect photo shoot, but I'm not a find the perfect shot. And finally, I am started your uploaded video first to last, and script screenshot one more two, and a 50 screenshot. One video, one thumbnail create your video finally 50 screenshot, and 50
okay,
screenshot. I'm stay one by watch carefully watch which picture perfect your thumbnail, and finally I'm select the five or two picture. So finally I you are like this thumbnail because it's very difficult, and a um, running video create a screenshot is very tough because every site following the screenshot. Uh,
exactly. No, the problem, yeah, the problem when we set up a good the camera and you have a good resolution, because when the people watching you, the first thing you need to look like yourself, the position you are, environment you are. Yeah, oh no, oh, let me listening, impression people to listening. Maybe the people don't understand, but when I see like your talk show design,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, yourself, it be very presentation. So that be it be good thing too, yeah, because like you say for short screen when you shooting a good quality, you do a good focus, you help somebody to can be not another thing for you too.
Okay, don't worry. If first time your guest coming in studio, first time we are set up your position. Second, first time Photoshop as a four angle. You five
Mm,
Photoshop your and five show Photoshop photo photo click your guest any guest. Don't worry because a a best photo create a best thumbnail.
I see, yeah. Like
Yeah.
now, I using a Canva and Photoshop because sometimes you working yourself like my assistant. Sometimes you know cam. So yeah, that's the big difficulty I have. Like now, to us it be midnight already. I be here at 4. Maybe
Yeah.
sometimes I can leave here 2 a.m.
Oh
You
my
see,
God. 2 a.m.
yeah, because I have a lot of work to do.
Yeah. Sir,
No,
home to office, how many
my
distance?
office, my office to my house, just 15 minutes
10
to
minutes.
drive.
10-minute distance.
15 minutes to
Oh,
drive,
15
yeah.
minutes. Oh, I understand. Okay, don't
Yeah,
worry. I,
not far away.
Yes, sir, then I'm long time your assistant, your job holder. I'm really impressed of you, and I'm just long time work. I'm very happy to journalist and many more learning the life skill and
Yeah.
many more learning the life skill, and I'm very impressed. And many people
Yeah.
speak the speech, and many people impress.
Wow.
Many people respect me. Our country, many journalists, I know that, and I'm impressed there, and he's impressed me. And I'm many time. Someday ago, student protest for Bangladesh is a very danger time. Past the very danger time. Then this time I'm going to the more journalists. I respect my heart. The
Yeah.
all journalists, they are very hard
Okay.
work. They are very danger
That's
and hard
good.
work.
That's good.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Join this meeting. And really, sir,
It's 12 a.m. Yeah, it's 12 a.m. now.
12 a.m. Oh, our
Mm.
country very local time, 10 a.m.
Wow, so you have a 10 more different. Yeah,
Morning. Yeah, yeah, it's a morning time, 10 a.m.
in morning. Uh,
Okay, sir.
okay,
Have
thank you so much for this meeting. I appreciate your work. So you're very honest with us. That's why this small business that's like your job is pressured while you're working with the customer.
okay, sir. Thank you. You'll give me the respect. Thank you. I'm very impressed of you, and your business relationship and work relation. I try to long time and long way run the long time.
Thank you so much, I appreciate.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night, sir.
You bye bye bye.